Hi y'all, it's Jeannie from Bushnell Unscripted. Thanks for coming by or coming back. Either way, I appreciate you. Today I've got a small unboxing. Can you tell from the image on the side what it might be? A little bit, maybe. It's pretty simple. We've got Snoopy on top of his doghouse, all decked out for the holidays. And we've got Charlie Brown putting his little tree together for the holidays. I picked these up at HSN the other day. They were on sale, and of course they had the big incentive of free shipping we all love. So let's dig into it. Let's start with Snoopy. They don't come covered in plastic, so we're just going to dig in here. There's the completed image. Snoopy with his little lights, all colored with snow. This is a 9-inch by 11.4 inch or 23 centimeters by 29 centimeters. It is licensed peanuts. It is from Diamond Art Club, and it is a round. On the side, we see that this is a full diamond coverage kit. It is not a partial. Sometimes the background, they call them partials if like maybe the background you won't apply drills to, but in this case, we'll do everything. 9 colors, 5 iridescent diamonds for a total of 8,446 diamonds. So a small kit. On the back, how to do diamond painting. It comes, no matter the size, they're still going to offer the premium velvet tarpaulin patented canvas. Superior quality diamonds. Twist and pick applicator with putty and multi-placers, stackable tray with lid and stopper, inventory sheet with pre-cut sticker labels, and 15 resealable baggies. Does come with the lifetime warranty, diamond spill insurance, and resin drills. Let's see. So there's our little sticker, and the title is Done Decorating. He's taking a very well-deserved break. When do y'all start decorating for the holidays? Do you decorate your home? Now, twist and pick applicator with putty and multi-placers. That, in fact, is not what is in this kit. The twist and pick would be this pen, but we got the very standard diamond painting pen, some wax hearts, and some baggies. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 baggies. So we got more of those, which is great. I love baggies. Oh, we got their really simple tray. We did get a 4 multi-placer that's imprinted there, and a squishy. So we did not get what is promised on the box. We should have gotten the new stackable tray with the lid and stopper and the twist and pick applicator. As well, let's see what's inside. Is there any other sticker sheets inside? Hopefully. Very interesting, right? Okay, that's not going on for me right now. So, that's curious.
I wonder what we'll find in the Charlie Brown box. Okay, there's our sheet. But nope, no little hidden bonus kits or anything. So here we go. There's our beautiful canvas. It is very cute and very, very snack size and beginner friendly. 9 colors. It'll be all symbols that you'll be looking for. Check your drill field. As always, I say open your canvases and check the drill field to make sure that they are legible. Sometimes they have problems and they're not. You're going to want to let your manufacturer know so they can make it right for you. On the bottom, you see a complete picture and all the information, 2024 peanuts, the size, the title. And again, you have a legend down here. Very cute. These, this size look great framed. Let's check out the drills. They are marked just in case you want to keep them in something else, which I have started to do. Once I unbox my kits, I'm putting the canvas back in the box, and I'm keeping these because I can't ever get them back the way they need to go. Putting them in a container of their own. So I really love that everything's marked. We've got 2 of 3755, and that is of course the background. 321. 321 is the doghouse. 5200 is the snow. 310 is all the black outlining. L740, guessing that is the lights. Yes. So all of the special drills are going to be the lights on the doghouse. L444, L702, L995, and L718. And they distinguish those as 5 iridescent diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So those will have a nice little bling on the lights. So, a little disappointed that it doesn't have the updated packaging that the box promises. Here's your sticker sheet. Lots of additional stickers in case you need them for something else. A beautiful, this is one sticker. You'll have to cut that apart if you want it separate. There we go. There's your little color palette. And step-by-step instructions for diamond painting. A thank you, tips and tricks, how it works, and a code for 10% off your next purchase. Alright, so there we have Snoopy. And I'm actually going to keep that out because that'll fit in a portfolio book that I have. Alright, Charlie Brown, what have you got for us? Charlie Brown is a 9 by 9 inch, 22.8 centimeters by 22.8 centimeters. And he is also a round. 8 colors, 2 Aurora Borealis, for total diamonds of 6,889. On the back we see here are the same information, and we're promised the same things, the twist and pick and the stackable tray with the lid stopper. Let us find out if that is what is coming. Now that's the first time I've ever had that happen, where the information on the box doesn't match the inside. Here we've got a Charlie Brown sticker. Charlie Brown's Christmas tree. Yep, same kit. So I can see that is going to be a little disappointing for some purchasers through HSN. Don't know if it's every kit, have no ability to know that, but it's exactly the same. The little blue pin, the baggies, the wax, the simple tray, and the squishy. Okay. So, again, I have no way of knowing if that's every one of these canvases. These are the new boxes, clearly. It's the wraparound art. It's the new information on the sides, as well as it says that's what the contents are. Oh, so cute. I love me some peanuts. Both the food and the cartoon. So there's your 8 colors. Some numbers and symbols and letters. They packed it all in one small little 8 items. And there's our finished image, 9x9. If you want to see how that compares to Snoopy, Snoopy was 9x11.4. He needs a little bit more height. But these would be very cute framed together. And that drill field is nice and clear, easily legible. And again, we've got our little helpful instructions. Here's our sticker sheet. Lots of extra stickers. Charlie Brown and Peanuts, the whole gang, they just make you smile, right? My father loved the Peanuts. He really did. 745 is going to be the background color. Ooh, 3 of those. 310, all the outlining. 943, I'm guessing that's the tree. 3856, the blockhead's blockhead, as Lucy would say. 114 is our Aurora Borealis. 995. 130 is another Aurora Borealis. And 3064. That's his shoes. And it was just 2 ABs. So the yellow and the red. So the 130 is a 2. And that's in the star. That's in the little ornaments. And 114, that's in the ornaments and his shirt. So there we have it. Those are the kits I got from HSN. I'd love to know, did yours come with the new kits, or are they similar to mine? Either way, quick and easy, great for beginners. These are great for your kids to pick up. Anyone that is thinking about getting into diamond painting, these aren't an overwhelming canvas to work on. They're easily portable if you want to take them somewhere. They're small enough. So it's a great introduction. And they're a great price when they're on sale and free shipping. So keep an eye out for that, y'all. And I'll provide a link below. I'm not an affiliate, but I'm happy to share the information. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope this helped you. If it did, let me know. I'd love to read your comments. I hope that you're doing well. And as always, please keep love and kindness on repeat. And until I see you again, bye-bye.